if you're experiencing the Minecraft installation loop error 2026, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue with simple steps. Follow the instructions below to get back to playing Minecraft. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause installation issues. Try restarting your router or connecting to a different network if necessary. Step 2. Restart the Minecraft launcher. Close the Minecraft launcher completely and reopen it. Sometimes, simply restarting the application can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the installation loop. Step 3. Update the launcher. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Minecraft launcher. Check for updates within the launcher or download the latest version from the official Minecraft website. An outdated launcher can lead to installation problems. Step 4. Clear cache and temporary files. Navigate to the Minecraft installation folder and delete any cached or temporary files. This can help eliminate corrupted files that may be causing the loop. Be cautious not to delete important game files. Step 5. Reinstall Minecraft. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Minecraft. This will ensure that you have a fresh installation without any corrupted files. Make sure to back up your saved worlds before doing this. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop error and get back to enjoying Minecraft. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Minecraft support for further assistance.